angle, it looks a lot lower.
I need to go to AutoZone.
Alright. Need parts for the Subi? Head gaskets!
I do have an oil leak.
Nice car.
Thanks, bro.
Come tell us more about it.
Slow.
Low or slow or both?
It's slow because it's low. It looks cool though because you don't see a lot of them, and it's freaking sick because I don't like to be the same guy, you know. Raceland, baby. Go get you some Megans and tell me which one rides better.
Probably my stock Honda.
Yeah, dude, Forester, man. Subaru.
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 Golden hour.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
If you get it from a higher angle, it looks a lot lower.
Tell us why you put premium in it.
Because race car, bro.
Because race car.
Just letting you know we're gonna be 3/10 slower, you know. So now we're adding a few more pounds in the trunk.
It's gonna slam.
Are you saying that you're going to get smoked by a Forester?
Absolutely.
So you called it K-Tech?
K-Tech. Don't get it wrong. You don't think it's gonna scrub, do you?
Nah, man. I think you'll be good.
You sure it's not gonna drag? Oh, is that fresh right there?
Bro, that's you.
I knew I should have filled the tank up.
You're leaving a little bit of Genesis behind here, you know that, right?
Everywhere I go. Make the ugly not so ugly.
Yeah. Looks like pollen, dude. It's liquid pollen, bro.
There's something else behind us too.
Well, fuck me, I broke the rain guard. Now we gotta go back and get it.
The thing sounds good, dude. The thing rips.
What's your channel?
Boost wanted.
Boost Wanted?
Boost
Yeah,
Wanted.
man. Check it out.
Making a couple
Right
little
now.
videos.
See you guys drive around all the time.
Do you really?
Hey, you want to join in on a video?
Sure.
Yeah, we'll get together. All right, see you guys.
Later.
Had some RPF1s on there.
I think it was sweet.
That was sweet. I liked it. I'm like,
Yeah, he was outside.
Poor guy. Those things are expensive. That was sweet though.